Okay, so for your computer, things might look fine right out of the box or off the bat, and however, I'm on a Macbook Pro, and that is not the case because it is a retina display, and everything normally looks too small. I've already fixed it here for the video, but I'm just gonna do the same thing over again that I just did. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm in the home directory. I'm going to make sure that I write this in. I already did it, of course, but this is setting the DPI. So before, my status bar was quite small, and of course using Control Shift plus I can make this bigger, or I think it's just Control minus. Yeah, Control minus makes it smaller. That's built into Termite. But yeah, the DPI will affect everything. It sets your dots per inch. So we're going to want to set that, and then we can do i3 message restart. This will restart i3. Just as an example, if I set this to 92, restart, you can see that Termite has stayed the same, but this status bar became much smaller. So I'm going to change that back, and I think it's 192. I think that's the right number. On the wiki, I'll put text here if that's not the right number. I mean, you want to use specific numbers that the wiki recommends, basically. I think you can probably find it if you go if you search for Arch Wiki DPI. Or Arch Wiki Retina display might be better. Okay, so that's the DPI. I want to again restart here. So that's okay now. And then we have, normally when I start Termite, it will come up really small, and I don't want that. So we want to be able to modify the config file for Termite. And to start doing that, it's a little peculiar in a way, but you know, this is the way things are done sometimes. This is the command you want. It's going to copy what is basically a default config into your local .config. Actually, you're going to probably need to make this directory, so you're probably going to want to go make directory /.config/termite. For me, it already exists, but for you, it might not. And then you want to do this command. So now we have a new config file. I'm going to go make sure you're in the home directory. .config/termite. ls, there it is. I'll zoom it. Alright, so this is the default config, and I want to, you can look around here and check things out. I don't like the blinking thing, so I'm going to turn that off. :W. Sorry if Vim is complicated for you, use Nano instead. Okay, and then the font here, just to show you, it's so small you can barely see it. That's monospace 9. So I'm going to press X and then A and 32. Escape :WQ. Now when I bring up a new one, that's the size. So you can set the font size to whatever number you'd like there, and that's the Termite config and your DPI and getting things sort of the proportionality set up correctly.